Welcome to our guide on how to mark an expense as billable in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Click on Expense Management in the top header menu and choose Accounts Payable. Select Invoice Queue to access all your invoices in one place. Navigate to the invoice you want to mark as billable. This could be a newly uploaded invoice or one that's already stored in your system. Once you've found the invoice, click on it to access the Invoice Details panel. This is where you'll find various details about the invoice, including date, amount, and payer. In the Invoice Details panel, locate the field marked as Billable Client. This field allows you to specify whether the expense on this invoice is billable or not. Click on the drop-down menu in the Billable Client field. A list of all QuickBooks customers will appear. Select the customer you wish to associate with this expense. And there you have it. You have now learned how to mark an expense as billable in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.